Hey ho, we're doing a live video of the 6:30 news. Average earnings index on the British pound, along with the claimant count change, unemployment rate, US index moving down, ran out yesterday's low just by a tick or something. The low 95.998. Yesterday's low 96.03. 96 big figure, and 95.998. So it ran it by 0.2 of a pip. Basically it's just bounced really off yesterday's low. It hasn't even really run it. Bounce back up. Order block. We're either going to rally through and break this and run for these highs, or we're going to bounce back off and break down. I walked away and put a pending order on the cable at 1.2820 into this level of resistance. I had this W pattern marked out. I was looking for a run on these lows to get long on yesterday out of this wedge. Did a little video on that. We had a wedge there, breakdown, reversal was what I was looking for. That did work out. It's come back up. It's hit the 128.20. Nice institutional level to get short. That is currently up by 27 pips. Run down into this corresponding block of down movement, or resistance broken, possibly turn support. We may see higher prices from here. My stops are at break even. If we do not, it will break down and run for these lows, hence the reason I have my target down there. And I'm going to jump out to a H4 time frame, maybe a daily, see what sort of targets, extended targets we might be looking for. These lows might be a possibility. And we could, 200 pips, 180, 200 pips, something like that. Those lows, this level of support, broken this one, come down to this one. See, we bounced off it here. I'm just going for, that would be a big move if we got that. That's on the daily chart, so obviously we're just looking for a punch from here down here. So bounce, drop down, big movement down to the next daily resistance down here. Don't know what that lines up with here as far as our. We might get down here. We've got this overshoot of the median line. That's a median line from this swing. You can see how we followed it. We broke come back up to the top of the median line, which we bounced off previously, which we've done again here. We're looking for a breakdown, possibly, breakdown from here. Might hit the median line again down here, maybe overshoot it to the downside. Hit me, or it might take a little bit of time to get down to it, break through, came back, bounce, and hit the median line over here somewhere, down here somewhere, the bottom end of the median line. If the news is very bearish, we could bounce from this level and go higher, stop me out. I also have a long on the euro. We had broken higher, pulled back. We were hitting this level here as it broke down here, back into the MAs. We've got a median line here on the euro from this swing here. Come down, hit the bottom level. I was looking for it to punch up, maybe hit the top based on the US index. Coming back up here, this candle here, this hour, it hit this level of resistance, this order block, and broke down. Now we've broken down and come back to it. I don't really like that, but we might still bounce off that, run these lows, and head back towards the median line here, which is off a daily chart. And you can see we've hit the top of the median line. We may just bounce back down, come back here, fill in this, and retest this old high. That's to the downside on the US index. If it does that, the cable might rally, euro might rally, and we might get a move there. I know there's a lot of mights in that. That was the thinking on the euro. I lost my euro hourly chart. There it is. So there is 6:30 is in. Bounced up, bounced off this, we're rallying, so we're going to stop me out, dropping again, certainly didn't break down to the downside, so US index is dropping, Euro is not really rallying either, so that's a poo. I'd hate to see this get stopped out and then so that's gone. Go out through that. Short that again. Slightly worse price there than I wanted. I wanted to try and get up in here a bit more. So about the same point we got in before. So this candle can reverse. And let's see what the actual figures were on that. Negative. Negative. Unemployment rate was good. That's what's driven it higher. But the average earnings index was negative. Climate change was negative. We got negative, negative, and one good. Run higher. Wait and see what happens from there. I'll give this a little bit of time to break down, see what it wants to do. Initial stops, throw them back up there. Targets, let's go for a run on that low. Something like that. Looking for about 10 pips, 20 pips on that, 16 pips, 20 pips is there, 10 pips stop run, 20 pips stop run on that low, at least. And we'll see what happens from there. Euro trade looks like it might stop out. SDX might get bullish. US yen, I had a pending order up here. Might take that off. It's based on the 4 hourly hitting this order block. It's only half a mini. Still targeting this breakdown. Not quite as good an entry as I had on my pending. I should have just left a stop up here on the pending possibly, but be a bit careful with the news. Got back in at maybe a pip worse off. If it's going to break down, we will ride it lower. The euro might stop out. That'll be alright if cable hits its take profit. Still work out overall in profit. We've already taken a loss on this. Got short in here as it rallied up. It dropped down in favour, came back, stopped me out. I don't know whether to leave on I've gone in with half a lot size. It's not much risk. And there's some reasonable profit there, 180 pip swing out of the top of this median line channel. Break out to the bottom, break out to the top. Breaks through here, we can look for these highs to be run. That will do for the news coming out on the cable. I had a good entry on that. We'll wait and see how that forms out over the day, and I'll catch you later.